We are going to learn about the world wars, the introduction to world war, the causes of the world wars which happened till today from the last, and also we will learn about the World War One and World War Two. First, let's start with the introduction to the world wars. What is mean by a world war? A world war is an intense, large-scale international military conflict that involves a significant majority of the world's most powerful and populated nations. Unlike regional conflicts, a world war spans multiple continents, oceans, and geopolitical theaters. The total warfare, characterized by mobilization of entire nation states, all available national resources, industrial, economic, scientific, and human, are funneled completely into the war effort. The global alliances, major powers form massive opposing military coalitions, drawing in their global colonies dominance, dominions, and economic allies, ensuring the conflict echoes across the globe. World wars which took place till present. In modern human history, two catastrophic global conflicts have been officially recognized as true world wars. World War One and World War Two. World War One. It lasted from July 28, 1914 to November 11, 1918. It was fought between the Allied powers and the Central powers, primarily centered around Europe, often called the Great War or the War to End All Wars. World War II lasted from 1st September 1939 to 2nd September 1945. It fought between the Allies and the Axis powers. It was the deadliest and most geographically widespread conflict in human history, spanning Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. The World War One core causes were the outbreak of the World War One was driven by the deep underlying systematic issues in Europe, summarized with the famous acronym MAIN. M stands for militarism and aggressive arms race dominated European past, especially between the British and German navies, creating highly volatile military structures ready for rapid deployment. Next, A stands for alliances. Europe was split by secretive defensive networks. The two primary factions were the Triple Entente, Great Britain, France, and Russia, and the Triple Alliance, Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. I stands for imperialism, fierce competition for lucrative colonies and the trade networks in Africa and Asia, fueled deep diplomatic friction. N stands for nationalism, intense national pride coupled with explosive ethnic independence movements in the Balkan region, known as the powder keg of Europe. So it's the acronym of the MAIN. The immediate trigger on the June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir of the Austro-Hungarian throne, was assassinated in Sarajevo by Gavrilo Princip, a Serbian nationalist. This sparked a diplomatic crisis that triggered the alliance network, leading to full-scale mobilization. Next, there comes the World War One destructions and the World War Two causes. Destructions and aftermath of the World War One. The human casualties. An estimated 20 million deaths, approximately the 9.7 million military personnel and about 10 million civilians and 21 million wounded. Trench warfare, chemical weapons, mustard gas, and industrial machine guns caused unprecedented slaughter. Political collapse. Four major empires collapsed: the German, Russian, Austro-Hungarian, and Ottoman empires. It also triggered the 1917 Russian Revolution. Economic devastation left Europe financially ruined and heavily burdened by national debt. The harsh reparations imposed on Germany by the Treaty of Versailles in the year 1919 crushed its economy, seeding the bitter resentment that directly paved the path to the next World War. The Treaty of Versailles was organized and created after the World War I in the 1919. World War II core causes. Rather than resolving international instability, the close of World War I inadvertently established the perfect geopolitical climate for a second, more destructive global war. The Treaty of Versailles. The severe terms humiliated Germany, forcing them to cede rich territories, dismantle their military, and accept full war guilt, collapsing their economy into hyperinflation. Rise of fascism and totalitarianism. Economic instability led to the rise of brutal fascist dictatorship, Adolf Hitler in Nazi Germany, Benito Mussolini in Italy, and military expansionists in Imperial Japan. They formed the Axis Powers Alliance. The failure of the League of Nations formed after World War I to maintain the world peace. This international body lacked its own military enforcement power and was completely unable to stop aggressive expansionism such as Japan's invasion of Manchuria or Italy's invasion of Ethiopia. Sorry, I said that the Treaty of Versailles. Actually, the Treaty of Versailles weren't formed, but after the World War One, they formed a an organization named as the, just a minute. Actually, before I said something wrong, but I felt very bad. But later I came to a thing. I think I stated something here. Something like to maintain world peace, the League of Nations was organized. So next here comes the policy of appeasement. Britain and France repeatedly chose a policy of appeasement, choosing to overlook Hitler's early aggressive territorial expansion, the annexation of Austria and the parts of Czechoslovakia in hopes of avoiding an open war. The immediate trigger. On 1st September 1939, Nazi Germany launched a brutal, unprovoked blitzkrieg invasion of Poland. In response, Great Britain and France honored their defense treaties and declared war on Germany, starting World War II. World War II destructions are global impacts. The destructions and consequences of the World War II are World War II completely eclipsed all previous human conflicts in terms of scale, technological violence, and sheer catastrophic loss. A human loss. The deadliest conflict in human history resulting in an estimated 70 to 85 million casualties. Civilians bore the brunt of the tragedy due to strategic and bombings, disease and starvation, the Holocaust. The state-sponsored industrial genocide carried out by the Nazi regime, resulting in the systematic slaughter of approximately 6 million Jewish individuals and millions of others, including Romani people, individuals with disabilities, and Soviet prisoners. The Atomic Dawn marked the first and only operational deployment of nuclear weapons in history. In August 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, instantly vaporizing over 100,000 people and leading to Japan's unconditional surrender. The Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombings were considered as the first nuclear bombings. The geopolitical power shift. Traditional European colonial empires like Great Britain and France were completely bankrupted and weakened, triggering a massive wave of global decolonization, including India's independence in the year 1947. The Cold War alignment. The global balance of the power shifted completely to two opposing superpowers, the US, United Nations capitalists, and the Soviet Union, communist, initiating the decades-long Cold War. Birth of the United Nations, UN, to prevent future global catastrophes. The League of Nations was replaced by the UN, United Nations Organizations, in October 1945, created with actual security enforcement capabilities to preserve global peace, safeguard human rights, and foster international cooperation. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.